Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome to another quick and easy Instagram video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use pictures from your gallery as stickers on your stories. Let's get started. Go ahead and tap on your profile photo up here. Tap on your profile photo once again in the upper left corner. Now go ahead and tap on create. And here you want to go ahead and tap on the sticker icon. Now just go ahead and scroll down until you find this image icon right here. Tap on it and it takes you to your gallery. Go ahead and tap on any image you like to use as a sticker. I'm going to tap on this image of mine, and you can move it around any way you want to. You can resize it, or you can make it smaller like that and move it around using just one finger. So I'm going to leave this right here. And the coolest thing about using your photos as stickers is that you can add more than one photo. Go ahead and tap again on the sticker icon. Scroll down again, find your image, and just choose any other image you like to add. And you can place it anywhere you want. You can make it bigger, smaller, or you can just go creative with it. Let's add another image. Go ahead and tap again on the sticker icon. Go back down and find your image icon. Tap on it. Grab one of your images, say this one, and position it wherever you want. You can go big or very small. Let's take another one. Yet another one. We'll tap again on the sticker icon up here. Scroll down and look at our image icon. Tap on it. Find an image we would like to use. Tap on it. Resize and position it. And with this, you can get creative however you want. But now I'm just going to go ahead and tap on send to. Here, just go ahead and tap on share, and it's going to be uploaded to your story. But this was for the purpose of this tutorial, so I'm not going to share it to my story. Now I'm just going to go back, cancel that. So that is going to be all for today's video. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. My name is Heidi and I make videos like this and much more every other day. So if that is something you're into, or you just want to stick around and watch my progress here on YouTube, go ahead, smash that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and be a part of our family. If you found today's video helpful, go ahead, give it a like and share with a friend. My name is Heidi and I'll see you again on the next one. Peace.